ready?
Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will try our luck here in the Dragon Ball Z event here in PUBG. So on the event shop, the Son Goku here, the Son Goku crate is luck, so we have to unlock the prize pad. So this will cost 900 UC, so let's unlock this one to unlock the Son Goku crate. So, okay, so it's now unlocked. Let's get all of the okay. So before we unlock the event here, the Son Goku crate, we should be at level 12. So currently we are at level 3, and hopefully we get this classic Super Saiyan and also this one. Since we reached the level 12, we can now draw on the Son Goku crate. So hopefully we get this one. I really like this one or this one. So hopefully we get lucky. Let's do this first. Hopefully we get this one, the yellow Saiyan and the blue no shirt. Let's draw 10 times. Please. What? Let's draw again. Please give me yellow Saiyan Goku or the blue shirt. Blue no shirt. What? Pink for the crowd, okay. Super Saiyan Goku, since this is a 30 draws, hopefully we get this one. If I get this one, I'll stop the draw. Or this one. Please. What? Please. Yellow Saiyan or blue shirt. Hopefully you get the yellow Saiyan Goku, please. Yellow Saiyan Goku. This one, or this one. Either of the two, please. What? Fuck. Hopefully we get. Nakakuha ko lang na ano. I top up 4,500 pesos UC. I top up 4,500 pesos and I got 8,100 UC. Just the yellow Saiyan, please, or the blue no shirt. Yellow Saiyan, only yellow Saiyan. I'm okay with that. I really like the color combination of the yellow and orange. So that's why I'm eyeing for the yellow Saiyan. What? I only got 2,900. Fuck. 2,900. Just yellow cyan, please. PUBG. Just give me the yellow cyan and I'm good. I also like this one, but I really like the yellow cyan because of the color combination, orange and the yellow. Please, yellow cyan. Hopefully we get the yellow cyan. Yellow cyan, please. Yellow cyan. Another. Oh, you scammer. PUBG, you scammer. How many UC do I have? 1,800. I only got 5 spins, 5, 10, 30 draws. PUBG, just the yellow cyan. There's only 10 draws left. What? Oh my goodness. Scam. So there you go. I spent 8,100 UC. That cost 4,500 pesos. And I only got Kinton Cloud and this one. This emote. The fusion emote. So it's not guaranteed that you'll get Dragon Ball characters. So I'd spend 8,100 UC, but I only got Kinton Cloud and the fusion emote. But I got Piccolo and Son Goku after I finished the mission. And I also got this Capsule Corporation motorcycle after I finished a mission. And this Bulma, I got it from the free draws. So it's really based on luck and not how much you spend. And I also got this DP28 Dragon Ball Z edition after I finished the mission. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.